Hello, ChoroQ collectors. Another strange subject, but interesting. Hopefully, it'll be interesting. This is a Riot police vehicle. So, this says 2005, and I guess back in 2005, someone may have paid $9 or so for this thing. But me, I paid less. Okay. ST05, yeah. So it's a standard line. Seems to be brand new. Not many people are out there collecting super deformed Riot trucks. But what I like about them, these super deformed things, is they're small. If this was actually a 1/64 scale truck, it would be so big I wouldn't be able to put it anywhere. Right, but ChoroQs, I can put two in the space of one 1/64 scale vehicle very often. I don't really have a way to compare it to anything because I don't know what it is, but I think this is the logo for the Japanese police. Okay. I really gotta look up what that thing is called. Alright, well, we seem to have a gray finish, and I think I've seen these wheels before. They look like, semi-truck wheels or bus wheels, and they have some molded details here. There's supposed to be a door here, but not on this one. This is the same body I've seen on many other buses from ChoroQ, but they swap out the top half. So normally there'd probably be a bus door here and bus windows, but they swapped out the top. Okay, the front end, yeah, it's molded, and it's... I'm trying to figure this out. I don't know if that's a sticker. I don't see an edge. So this is so finely printed that I thought it was a sticker, but I guess it's tampo printed onto the body. And I guess that's a silver bumper. Alright, so you can see a steering wheel, the seat there, and actually inside you can see some bus seat backs, but they're hidden from the outside. And, oh, this tire's messed up. Some sort of text there, and then just printed on taillights. No windows back here, silver rear bumper. Standard construction of a screw and a tab, and it says 04 there. And then, yeah, it's got this box with the grates, and then unfortunately some paint chipped off there, or was never put on in the first place. And this is a water cannon and probably like a searchlight. I'm wondering, does this move? I don't think it moves. I was hoping it turns, being a water cannon, but it's just put on crooked. So that's a little less than I was looking for. I thought being a toy, this thing would actually twist, right? It is a toy after all, but I guess if I was a little kid, I'd be like, oh. Actually, now I'm gonna full-on adult, and I'm saying that. Oh well, okay. It wasn't too expensive, so no big deal. Let's compare it to a couple other boxy-looking ChoroQs. Let's get this thing out. Tire spinning. The first one I'm going to pull up is this Kobe City Loop bus. If you look at the side of this bus, it actually looks like, I think it might be identical as far as the casting goes. See, it's got those two door lines, and then how it cuts down here, same thing. So ChoroQ is smart, they spread out their molds and stuff and just change out. It's like a modular system they have. The front end of this one does seem quite different, though. It's molded round lights. Oh, but here, maybe this is the better comparison. That has some molded rectangular lights. Yeah, I kind of feel like these might be the same mold. Not this one. Oh, I'm mistaken again. See, this blue one's got a like kink it back here, so it can't be the same mold. But it definitely shares a lot of the same traits. Alright. Well, let's stop at the buses and get into more police riot related stuff. I've got this Targa series from ChoroQ, and this is a police ambulance, I guess. And then a police SUV, a put it backwards, didn't I? I bet. And then a police car. This is from the TV show 24. And then ChoroQ also does a lot of fire engines. These are some of my very first ChoroQs I purchased, fire engines. I guess someday I'll have to go back and collect some more fire engines. Alright, let's take these guys out. ChoroQ also does construction vehicles. Here's like a mobile crane. And here's a dump truck. And just to throw in a different brand, TinyQ, which I do love this brand. They just don't have many castings. They have a few trucks as well, like this seafood delivery truck, or this marketing promotion truck, or again, more like a construction related truck. So TinyQ, I really wish you guys would you know, make some more castings. I know you came out with the VWs, but I'd love to see more from you guys, because you guys are doing a better job than ChoroQ with your translucent, transparent headlights and your rubbery side mirrors, steerable front wheels on many of them. Okay. Well, I can kind of see why no one wants to buy this. If it doesn't have a moving turret, it's kind of lame. I mean, it has no side windows other than the front part. This is a really plain looking vehicle. The only thing that really saves it, or at least the wheels are nicely molded. They're not your standard 5-spoke ChoroQ wheels. They look like they're in scale with the rest of the vehicle. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys checking this out, and hopefully the next Choro review will be a little better. Alright, bye.